personal branding. Once you learn how you can sell and leverage your skills, your brand, your product, your inner product, okay, without using social media. Everyone has a brand, everyone can leverage their uniqueness regardless of the use of social media. But once you know your values, what you can give to the market, your reason especially, why you want to succeed. So we also teach people in our personal branding workshops how to identify those aspects in their profiles. We also teach people how to use LinkedIn as a sales platform, networking tactics. So it's led by a guy who was promoted 5 times in 2 years by using personal approach, personal skills to be known inside the corporation. And that goes for the way you handshake, the way you look to people in a meeting, the way you interact, the way you are remembered by people, even your feet position, things like that. We also go for more technical things such as business English, the vocabulary, even the terms, the acronyms that people just don't know it, they have no clue. Those things, they even exist, so we teach those things to them so they can reuse those terms when they are dealing with their peers or people who can potentially give them opportunities. Content writing is another very important workshop. We all need to learn how to write properly, and not only for the social media, but articles or pieces of content that can really engage people, and then again for you to be remembered as a professional. On the presentation side, we work with we have a workshop called Business Dress Code. It's presentation, it's a must, right? Being consistent with the way you dress, for men especially, suit and tie, it really opens doors for people. Women, they have plenty to choose from, so women should never be sloppy. Acing interviews, which is a workshop, it's a technical thing, right? So how to behave in interviews, how to impress the guys on the other side of the table when you are trying to sell yourself. So when you put all those things together, really works well for you as a professional. Time management is how do you put all these together? How you are giving so many new tasks that will help you get there, but you have no clue how to fit these into your already busy schedule. So professionals, they come to our workshops and they learn from a very skilled guy with over 30 years of career in project management and time management, how they can fit priorities, so what is important, how to put all of your energy on 20% of what it's really important to get 80% of results. And finally, a new workshop we are bringing now is called Team Leadership. First, because leadership, to me, it's the skill that every company wants on a professional. If you can put this off, if you can show people how you're going to lead your colleagues towards a common goal or goals, right? The companies, they usually have the targets they have. Applying leadership to, you don't have to be a manager or a boss to apply leadership to your daily stuff, to your daily interactions with people, right? And it is a skill that it's really, it's not here, I don't want to say here, but it's really valuable when you find in people. So it's something that the companies want. So we are bringing these new workshops led by another specialist. We are taking all these workshops now to a conference style. And now in August and September, we are experimenting a full day of workshops. Actually, they will no longer be workshops, they will be conferences. So the same influencers who come to our classes and teach people, they will be coming to talk for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half about their themes, and people will get so much value in a matter of 6-8 hours. WorkFlow ICT is also evolving in the sense that will actually amplify the reach of our products of our proprietary message and methodology to people who are not inside our program. There is a